Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch your air conditioner from cooling mode to heating mode in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. First, turn on your air conditioner using the remote control. Now look for the mode button on the remote. Every press of the mode button will change the function. Cooling, dry, fan, heating. Keep pressing until you see the heat symbol, usually represented by a sun icon. Once the AC is in heating mode, set your desired temperature. For the best performance, choose between 24 degrees Celsius and 28 degrees Celsius. Select the fan speed you prefer, low, medium, or high. For heating, medium speed usually gives the best results. Remember, when switching from cooling to heating, the AC may take 2 to 5 minutes before warm air starts coming out. This is normal. It's just the compressor preparing to heat. And that's it. Your air conditioner is now in heating mode. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy AC tips.